Following new guidance from the CDC today, Kentucky leaders announced new recommendations for Kentuckians. These new guidelines are based on a community transmission model, looking at the number of cases currently, hospitalizations, and hospital capacity. The state will be sharing a weekly map online where you can check your county's transmission level of COVID. Governor Andy Beshear says masks will no longer be required in state office buildings, but they will still be required in certain agencies like state correctional facilities and VA-run nursing homes.
I've also asked each of our employees to be real thoughtful about their personal safety and to feel empowered in their decision making. If you have a pre-existing condition, you probably ought to continue to wear a mask, and we want to support you to do that.
There's also new guidance for Kentucky schools. Vaccinations, staying home when sick, and isolating after testing positive are recommended at all levels, but there is a change when it comes to universal masking.
It's only when we get to the high or the red category where we strongly recommend universal masking indoors and on the buses.
Dr. Stephen Stack saying that they'll be working with superintendents across the state to provide more detailed information over the next few days. Now, several school districts in our area have already made masks optional. Tonight, we also checked with JCPS about this new guidance coming out of the CDC. A spokesperson says because Jefferson County is still in that red zone, the guidance doesn't currently apply, adding, quote, throughout the pandemic, Dr. Marty Polio has said he would make recommendations to the school board based on guidance from the CDC, the Kentucky Department for Public Health, and the Kentucky Department of Education. That has not changed, end quote. The school board will ultimately make any final decisions on the JCPS COVID policies.